everyone, today we're making a nice mulled wine using one of our new winter release winter warmer blend. We're going to start with 100 ml of sweet vermouth. You could also use a sweet red wine as well. $100 ml of dark rum. We're going to be using half a peeled orange, a stick of cinnamon and a couple of allspice berries, 20 grams of sugar, and a couple of dashes of vanilla extract. Just need to pop this onto the stove and put it on to a low simmer to heat for about 30 minutes. In this time we can start preparing our coffee. You're going to need to make 300 ml of our mulled wine filter blend. Okay, once that's finished, we're going to grab a fine mesh strainer and strain this out into our coffee. We've now finished our mulled wine and it's ready to enjoy. I just like to finish it off with a nice garnish of that orange peel that we've got left over from peeling the orange. For full recipes as well as picking up a bag of this coffee, you can head to honorcoffee.com.au. Thank you very much. Cheers.